Hey guys, Dan the Drone Man, Solid Rock Auto Group. Take a look coming in from the outside. Coming into the parking lot there, get a look at our trucks, get a look at some of the cars and SUVs that we have. I'm going to be here 9 to 3 today. I can see they're all cleared off. Snow is deceiving. It is still cold out there. I got indoor viewing areas. If you want to come out and be brave, give us a call ahead of time. We can get the car inside. 330-527-4444. Have a great day. Try to stay warm. Thank you.
Think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise.
You come to see me?
I had to.
That practically make us family. Uncle Bobby B, baby. Uncle Bobby B.
Sam.
Sam, let me talk to you. Sam, your first enchilada of freedom awaits underneath one of those hoods. Let me tell you something, son. A driver don't pick the car. The car pick the driver. It's a mystical bond between man and machine. Son, I'm a lot.